the most beneficent,
the most beneficial,
the most merciful.
the most merciful.
I
Muhammad Azam Khan,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as judge of the Islamabad High Court,
as judge of Islamabad High Court,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform
and perform
my functions
honestly,
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
and faithfully,
and faithfully,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
and the law,
and the law,
that I will abide by the code of the conduct
that I will abide by the code of conduct
issued by the Supreme Judicial Council,
issued by the Supreme Judicial Council,
that I will not allow
that I will not allow
my personal interest
my personal interest
to influence my official conduct
to influence my official conduct
or my official decisions,
or my official decisions,
that I will preserve,
that I will preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and that
and that
in all circumstances
in all circumstances
I will do
do
right to all manner of people
right to all manner of people
according to law,
according to law,
without fear or favor,
without fear of favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or ill will.
May Almighty
May Almighty
Allah help me
Allah help me
and guide me.
and guide me.
Ameen.
Ameen.